just can't keep hanging on to you.
The deep, melodious sound of the babbling brook. Somewhere in the woods the thunder shook. The wide expanse of verdant hillside, far into nature my mind doth reside. Tall sandstone, warren cliffs, the bright sun of day slowly shifts, and the breeze kaleidoscopes leaves drift, forming bulbous banks for which the human sentiment giveth thanks. For deep dark pools, for stubborn mules, and the end nature is supreme. Look through the waterfall sheet of glass and gleam. Become the wolf, thy name Constantine. The body becomes weak from over-industrialization. I am a hermit residing deep in my shell like a crustacean. And I don't envy those in the plains. I prefer enduring time's many rains, following nature's course, seeking abode in a shadowed forest. The unknown in the dark, silhouetted beast's eyes spark, all balanced with the sweet melody of a lark. To the babbling brook, my heart doth hark.
Nature outside keeps me alive, alleviates me of the monotony of the 9 to 5. The leaves and branches soothe my soul, they excite me. I could spend a whole afternoon at the base of a pine tree. Towering redwoods are a constant source of inspiration. Watching the sunrise gives me a sense of elation. I spend hours with mountains, brooks, and flowers, and so for them I greatly thank the almighty powers. The outdoors are unpredictable, it's a theater of the absurd. I don't know if I'll see epic clouds, an eagle, or a songbird. Mother Nature is all-powerful, she's Zeus and Cronus combined, and all her boundless beauty shall never be mine. For the long golden grasses each day I yearn, and I hope sometime I'll rest in Demeter's urn. I felt like I belonged in these green hills since birth, and I love to share these feelings with the world. Wordsworth.
5 more years and all of nature is wrong. Flowers are fences and trees are gone. The only nature I ever see is the fruit that grows outside on my apple tree. Lemons, oranges, blueberries, and raspberries. I think I'll make a smoothie.